Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cake cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring baker. From classic recipes to innovative creations, this cookbook offers a comprehensive guide to the world of cakes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this cookbook will provide you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to create delicious and beautiful cakes for any occasion. Number 5. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. You'll learn how to make sweet treats and savory dishes that everyone will love. From cookies and cakes to breads and pizzas, this book has it all. It includes a wide variety of recipes for every occasion. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. This book is designed for young chefs like you. It's filled with easy-to-follow instructions and helpful tips. Get ready to have fun in the kitchen and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Inside, you'll discover how to measure ingredients, mix dough, and decorate your creations. This book will teach you essential baking skills. It's a great way to build confidence and creativity. Grab your apron and get ready to create some amazing treats. This book is your guide to baking success. It's time to bake, share, and eat. What we like. This cookbook is all about making baking fun and accessible for young chefs. It features simple recipes that are easy to follow, so they can bake with confidence. If you have kids who love to bake or want to get started in the kitchen, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. Easy recipes, step-by-step instructions, and kid-friendly photos. Inspires confidence in the kitchen. The recipes are great and easy to make good-tasting desserts. Easy to follow and a great selection of recipes. Number 4. Perfect Baking Cookbooks, The Perfect Cake. Are you ready to bake the perfect cake? This book is your ultimate guide. It covers everything from classic recipes to modern and whimsical creations. Inside, you'll find detailed instructions for creating timeless favorites. It provides step-by-step guidance to ensure your success, whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker. Explore innovative techniques and contemporary designs. This book helps you to elevate your baking skills and impress your friends and family with stunning results. Unleash your creativity with fun and imaginative cake ideas. It offers inspiration and practical tips for decorating cakes that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat. Get ready to create cakes that are both delicious and visually stunning. This cookbook is an essential resource for anyone who loves to bake and wants to master the art of cake making. What we like. This book is your ultimate resource for creating stunning cakes. It covers everything from classic recipes to modern designs, with detailed instructions and techniques. If you're looking to master cake baking and impress with your creations, you should definitely consider it. What people say. So far I tried a few recipes and all were good. Great directions and pictures. If you baked a cake from scratch before or not, you will get good results. It is very informative and the quality is impeccable. It is perfect for a beginner like me, and talks about baking techniques, with helpful pictures, ingredients, and of course, it has a lot of excellent recipes. Number 3. The Baking Cookbook for Teens, 75 Recipes. Are you a teen with a sweet tooth? This cookbook is perfect for you. It features 75 delicious recipes for both sweet and savory treats. From cookies and cakes to breads and pizzas, it has everything you need. It's a great way to learn new skills and impress your friends and family. This cookbook is designed for teens, with easy-to-follow instructions. It makes baking fun and accessible for everyone. It's a great resource for anyone who loves to bake or wants to learn. Get ready to create some amazing treats. This cookbook will guide you step by step. Get ready to enjoy the delicious results of your baking adventures. What we like. This cookbook is designed with teens in mind, offering a variety of recipes that are both delicious and easy to make. It includes both sweet and savory options, perfect for any craving. If you are a teen looking to expand your baking skills and enjoy tasty treats, this cookbook is for you. What people say. It has a good assortment of recipes, not just sweets. Recipes are easy to follow and nicely explained. It is full of lots of useful information about health and safety, equipment, conversion tables, and the basics of cooking and baking as well as the recipes. Number 2. Magnolia Bakery Handbook, Complete Guide for Home Baker. Today, we're diving into a world of delicious treats with this handbook. It's your complete guide to baking at home, filled with secrets from the famous Magnolia Bakery. This book is perfect for bakers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it offers something for everyone. You'll find everything you need to create amazing desserts. Inside, you'll discover classic recipes and techniques. It breaks down each step, making it easy to follow along. Get ready to bake like a pro. From cupcakes to layer cakes, this book covers it all. It provides detailed instructions and helpful tips. You'll be able to create stunning desserts. With this handbook, you'll gain the confidence to bake anything. It's your go-to resource for all things baking. Get ready to impress your friends and family. What we like. This handbook brings the magic of Magnolia Bakery to your kitchen. It features all the classic recipes and techniques you need to create their iconic treats. If you like the famous bakery style and want to recreate those delicious flavors at home, you should definitely get this one. What people say. Easy to follow recipes with pictures. So many variations for different recipes. The recipe photos are stunning and the recipes are easy to understand, especially for new bakers. Number 1. Gateau, French Cakes, Essential Parisian Recipes. This book unveils the surprising simplicity behind classic French cakes. It offers essential Parisian recipes, making delicious treats accessible to everyone. Inside, you'll find authentic recipes straight from Paris. They are easy to follow, allowing you to recreate the magic of a Parisian pâtisserie in your own kitchen. The recipes use simple ingredients, yet the results are exquisite. It's a journey into the heart of French baking, where flavor and elegance meet. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this book has something for you. It guides you through each step, ensuring success with every recipe. Get ready to embark on a delightful baking adventure. This book is your passport to the world of French cakes, bringing the taste of Paris to your home. What we like. This book unveils the surprising simplicity of French cakes, offering a collection of essential Parisian recipes. It focuses on elegant and refined desserts that are surprisingly easy to make. If you like the idea of baking sophisticated treats with minimal effort, you should choose this one. What people say. Recipes clear and easy to follow even for a less experienced baker. I like the recipes in this book. I've tried many and they all work very well. The recipes are easy to understand and delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.